Did you have any idea that American tycoon and financial backer Charlie Munger held on to Tesla as the highest-level EV organization? The stock's financial backer said in a past explanation that Tesla has made critical commitments to progress and, as such, is strategically situated to obtain more pieces of the pie and keep on ruling the EV business. Tesla has had a few mind-boggling remarks from the enormous names in the realm of effective money management. Thus, this could be one of the more bullish remarks that will put the vehicle organization in the right perspective. Hello folks, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Practically all tech and development stocks are as of late bobbing a lot higher after the customer value file gave indications of facilitating expansion. Tesla stock precisely matched the Nasdaq's wild 7.3 development in that meeting, in spite of the fact that it has not been able to exploit this lift since Musk's adventure with Twitter continues to occupy the stock from its extraordinary story and execution. There are likewise a few different variables that are not straightforwardly connected with Tesla's exhibition, but rather have kept on dropping the stock value. Tesla has done a few astounding things in the EV business and is developing at a speed that large numbers of its rivals see as difficult to stay aware of in a new meeting with CNBC. Very rich person and financial backer Charlie Munger unveiled his bullishness on Tesla as an organization and how he thinks the organization is performing surprisingly well. What does Charlie Munger need to say regarding Tesla? We should figure it out yet before we do. On the off chance that you like this kind of happiness, remember to like, buy in, and turn that warning chime on to be fully informed regarding everything along with Tesla. Berkshire Hathaway Bad Habit Director Charlie Munger has recently complimented Musk's electric vehicle organization. Tesla called it an astonishing accomplishment in the American car industry. Munger additionally expressed that he is shocked that Tesla's performed so well, further emphasizing the automaker's solid position in the EV business. Tesla became quite possibly the most significant organization on the planet with a market cap of north of $600 billion starting around January last year. Tesla has created a total of 1.91 million vehicles since around 2009. The automaker produced 386,759 vehicles in the initial two-fourths of 2021 alone, and conveyed a practically similar sum of 343,000 vehicles in the second from last quarter of 2022. The automaker's income for a similar quarter, finishing off with September, was $2,1,454 billion, a 55.95% increment year over year. Tesla's income for that period was near $75 billion, a 59.8% increment year over year. As per Charlie, Tesla has made genuine commitments to progress, and Elon Musk, its president, beneficial things that others couldn't do. He had additionally referred to the fact that there hasn't been a fruitful new auto organization in quite a while, depicting what Tesla has done in the vehicle business as a mining operation. Marvel Charlie is an extraordinary putting histories in the past at the Day-to-Day Diaries yearly gathering recently. The speculation master had anticipated that extensive difficulty was coming for speculation markets. He expressed that while individuals were getting a charge out of pathetic overabundances, it spelled risk for the economy. Talking further on this, he sat at the extraordinary short crush in GAN, the Bitcoin market, at the time, as well as investment, tossing a lot of cash as main considerations prompting these triumphs. He additionally made sense of that there is an overabundance in funding and different types of private value too. He added that assuming the public authority prints a lot of cash, it will ultimately bring more hardship than any that has been found before. And that is no question what's going on today, with expansion at a disturbing rate universally as costs keep on expanding across a wide scope of expenditure classifications. A great many people find that they spend more on purchasing wares than they used to. As per the year rate change in the purchaser cost file as of October this year, costs in the U.S. had expanded by 7.7 contrasted with October 2021. With expansion on the high side, took care of had additionally as of late raised its benchmark loan fee by 0.75 rate focuses, which was the third outsized rate expansion straight, bringing the Fed rate to 3.25. In a new note by Morgan Stanley about Tesla, the venture organization expressed that while Musk's responsibility for could have battled some shoppers' opinion in regards to Tesla, any subsequent shortcoming in Tesla offers could set out a freedom for financial backers. Tesla stock is at present esteemed under 200 and seems, by all accounts, to be progressively troubled by the few feelings and debate encompassing the Twitter bargain among a few different elements. As per Morgan Stanley, discussion makes vulnerability, and one of the primary drivers of Tesla offers to a high valuation status was the capacity for financial backers to unhesitatingly show the monetary standpoint of the organization's center EV and energy business with regards to capacity, which was upheld by an ideal monetary scenery. It added that this certainty has been tried lately and will keep on being tried through year-end. Additionally, while it's impractical to measure any potential effect this might have on Tesla's portions, there is an ordinary point of worry among Tesla's financial backers. Tesla has staggering essentials as far as vehicle creation, conveyance profit and income, overall revenues, and innovation, to specify a couple anyway. In spite of these variables, the automaker's frozen in place, falls under 200, and it is unsure when it would get back to record highs again. In the note Morgan Stanley referred to, these feelings can influence Tesla first in quite a while of purchaser interest, as there will be a few clients who may not wish to be related to contention in like manner. Tesla's business organizations may likewise be impacted. While Tesla is a profoundly upwardly coordinated organization, it stays versatile and dependent on a large group of business associations that may likewise not have any desire to be related with specific degrees of debate. The automaker's administration connections could be impacted too, as well as financial backers' opinions and capital market support. Tesla's industrialization of sustainable environments and coastal battery improvement requires close collaboration with sovereign substances, particularly in the US and China. Additionally, while the vehicle organization is generally self-subsidizing right now, it will require further areas of strength for the venture. Local area to accomplish the development suggested in its momentum $600 billion market capitalization. The venture organization further referred to a $150 bear case for Tesla stock cost before the year's end. Rather, we see an open door opening for planned Tesla financial backers' potential tests like opinion concerns and decelerating EVA's request, especially in China, could see Tesla test our 150 terrible case before year-end. Morgan Stanley likewise accepts that Tesla might keep on reducing vehicle costs later on. It expressed that his China group has remarked on the new critical cost cuts in that market, and in light of this, it is expecting cost cuts to continue in Europe, as well as Tesla's Giga Berlin plant, which starts to outperform the 5,000 units each week. Tesla will utilize any open door to bring down vehicle expenses in the future by diminishing creation costs too. However, this will possibly work on the off chance that the vehicle organization has serious areas of strength for its stock, so it can get together with the expanded requests coming about because of the lower costs with the televisions. Logan Stanley added that in its 150 bear case situation, Tesla's offers would exchange at roughly 12.5 times EV per income before premium duty expostulation and amortization and multiple times PE on its 2025 estimate, which is by all accounts a fantastic incentive for a self-financed top-line cultivator like Tesla that is in a top position to profit from re-architecting the U.S. sustainable inventory network at scale. Tesla is taking an enormous level of the hugely extending UV industry, and this isn't just as far as pieces of the pie yet additionally productivity. Tesla has recently affirmed that its vehicles cost around $36,000 to make on normal in parts and gathering great. It just sells it for around $10,000 more. This overall revenue makes Tesla the world's best automaker. In that regard, Tesla is likewise encountering expanded requests and is figuring out approaches to advantageously figure out these requests through the automaker. As of late, cut the conveyance holding up time on all Model 3 Model Y vehicles to at least 7 days. Delayed holding up times have been a significant issue for individuals who need to purchase Tesla vehicles yet. With that sit-tight time, decreased requests for the organization's EV make scale higher. In a new news to Tesla created multiple times the gain edge per vehicle sold, contrasted with Japanese producer Toyota. Tesla detailed a 2022 Q3 net benefit of $3.29 billion, while Toyota say that it created a net gain of $3.15 billion for a similar period, notwithstanding the Japanese brand conveying multiple times a bigger number of vehicles than Tesla in that period. It is obvious, consequently, that Tesla isn't just ruling the UV business, yet it is additionally step by step turning into the biggest car organization on the planet, albeit the automaker has not been performing too well as far as its stock valuation inferable from tension from the market. There is still an open door for critical development. Do you share this assessment? However, let us in on down underneath, and remember to let us know your valuation of Tesla. And if you have any desire to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.